In February 2023, the Mexican president issued a decree to ban GM corn for human consumption and phase it out at animal feed. This decree became immediately effective and replaced prior decrees along the same lines. So to have this sort of uncertainty with our biggest trading partner is very unsettling for what it means for trade flows. Mexico is the top market for U.S. corn export. It's a $5 billion market, and they're our top customer by far. Not only this, but there is a risk that other countries could do the same sort of effort, which would impact our ability to export around the world. NCGA and the state associations were extremely effective in talking to the Biden administration and members of Congress to escalate this issue. That resulted into a dispute settlement process under USMCA. This dispute settlement process has been ongoing over the course of about a year. It's actually all culminated into this final panel report that was just issued December 20th. So this report said that Mexico's actions did violate USMCA and they were not based on science, and the report sides with the U.S. position. This is why it is so important for you to join your state corn grower association.